just maybe, if Lisa Lee could win the lottery, what would she do? If she won the lottery, buy gadgets for her students, of course. Your assignment is to help Lisa Christmas shop for all of the students in CIS. Make a spreadsheet of all the items you will purchase. Decide on your coolest item. Work in groups of 2, not more than 3. Go to Blackboard, print a copy of the assignment. You probably only need 1 copy per group. And use the checklist to make sure you have included all of the requirements. You will also notice on the document that there are the details regarding how much money you have to spend, how many people there are in a class, and the things that you need to include as you purchase. You will be creating a spreadsheet then. I'm going to show you a little bit of how to do that. The spreadsheet that you can start with, if you'd like, is also loaded in Blackboard. So here is a semi-started spreadsheet. So you're going to add your names, today's date. The amount of money that you have to spend will go here. It's $177,000. Make sure you format that for a number. So use currency. Then you need to put a calculation in the cell below it to calculate how much money you have per student. And your notes said that you have 22 students to buy for. So we'll start with an equal sign. And we want to divide 177,000 by 22. Okay, so we just have a little over $8,000 per person to spend. You can see that I've already shopped a little bit here. I've purchased a desktop computer. It's an HP all-in-one. I found it at Best Buy, and one of your requirements is you have to have a link that pushes out to the link so that we can take a look at the item and so that you can use the spreadsheet to show the rest of the students the things that you have purchased. So I have a second thing here is an e-reader or a tablet. It's a Kindle Voyage from Amazon. Notice here in the total column that you have to multiply the price per unit by 22 to see how much money you're spending in total when you buy 22 items for everyone in the class. So you have to put a formula in this column that multiplies the price each by 22. Okay, so I have ready here my next item, a fit tracker. Maybe it's a Samsung Gear, I don't know. I have one I think on my open in a window, but I don't think it's a Samsung Gear. So let's go take a look on my internet page here. Sports Authority. Let's decide here on this Garmin. Has a heart rate monitor. I've read good reviews on it. So we're going to try this one. So I need to save this link. So I'm going to click to select the link, Control C to copy that link, go back to Excel. I'm going to right click in the cell where I want the link and paste. And then a trick is to click at the end of that paste and push the space bar. That way it'll turn it into a hyperlink for you. So now you see I can just click on that link and it will take me to that internet page. It's going to open Internet Explorer and open that page. While I have this going, we need to have at least one picture that you've placed on your spreadsheet, and it's supposed to be of your coolest item. I don't know if this would be my coolest item, but let's right click on the picture. Let's see. That one is a different picture. Let's see. I'm going to right click on it, copy, back to the spreadsheet, and I'm just going to paste it out here somewhere and then make it smaller. So make sure you include the picture of your coolest gadget while you're doing this. Okay, now let me finish what I was doing here. So I have the link to the gadget. I forgot how much it was. $129.99. You guys don't need to worry about tax or shipping, and you do not need to buy software, only buy hardware. Okay, so this is coming along okay, but as you continue on with your spreadsheet, you need to make sure you have a total for the individual person so that you can see that you're under $8,000, and you have an overall total so you can see that you're under $177,000. So make sure you use your sum function here and you sum the numbers in your column. You may need to add or subtract rows. You probably want to put your totals in as you go so you can kind of see how much money you have left and how much more shopping you have to do. And one last thing I want to show you is just some other pages that you might go to. I'd like for you to shop at several places, not just one place, but Best Buy is a good one. They have lots of gadgets, cameras, computers, accessories. Newegg.com is a great place for gadgets. Lots of computer equipment, lots of gaming stuff. Amazon, of course, has lots of things. You can search their electronics, or you can search directly for something you're looking at. In class, I've mentioned the Goal Zero power source, and Goal Zero is a company out of Salt Lake in case you're interested, but they have lots of products that you might be interested in for portable storage or portable electricity. Staples is always a good one, a local company. Same with Radio Shack. And Sports Authority has a few things, but they do have those fitness trackers, so that was a good place to try out. So good luck with your spreadsheet and your shopping. I hope you have a blast.